Hey everybody, Heather Freeman here with the Painted Playground, and I have an exciting announcement I want to share with you. I'm going to be hosting a paint challenge, a 5-day paint challenge where you can paint with me for 5 days, live videos all 5 days, and it's going to be a whole lot of fun. So you'll be able to paint even if you've never painted before. That's okay. This will be perfect for you. We'll get you started. If you have painted before, it's going to be a whole lot of fun. I'm going to teach you how to use a paint palette knife, which is a technique that you can use, and I'm going to take you step by step in how to make a beautiful painted power canvas. I'm super excited. If you want to find out more, just click the link below and get signed up today. We start September 9th. I'll be teaching you step by step through a private Facebook group. And if you can't watch it live, that's okay. You can watch it on your own time. You can rewind and pause. I'll be sending out a link for the replay each day. And the best thing about it is it's free. Yippee! I really want to give you an opportunity to get painting, see what it's like to paint with me and paint live with me, and to kind of give you a little sneak peek too into how Paint Party Online is going to be happening coming up in September, later in September. So I really look forward for you to join me, and we're going to have a good time. I promise it's going to be a lot of fun. So click the link in the description below and get yourself signed up for the paint challenge. All right, thanks guys.